Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create 3D text effect in Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and here we have just selected a black image template, right? So we are going to select this template. First of all, change the template color. So I have clicked on color palette option available above and chosen this color, right? I'm going to tell you two methods for creating a 3D text effect. So first of all, we have clicked on text, add a heading, and here we can simply write Bikana. Okay, increase its size and then can go to the font type and we can change this canvas sans from canvas sans to reg solid. Okay, medium filled or bold fill, whatever you want, you can simply add that, right? So again, the 3D text is ready, right? Let me show you the another font as well, right? You can also use this one. Now we are going to tell you the second method. So for second method, you need to go to the elements and write 3D letter and go to the graphics, and from here you can simply search for some good letter, right? For example, let me go to this one, right? And let's select this one, see all, B, right, I, and then K, right? Let's go above and see if we have missed the N. Okay, N is over here and A. Okay, let's delete this, bring it A over here, right? We need to reduce the size, right? Okay, it's done. Now we are going to select them all, group them, and then we are going to increase the size. So in this manner also you can add 3D text effect into your Canva design. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.